Are you dealing with aches in your legs, knees, or ankles when you walk? Do everyday tasks, like climbing stairs, going for a stroll, or even standing up from a chair, feel harder and more painful than they used to? If so, you're not alone. These kinds of problems are very common for people over 60, but here's the good news. There is a solution. In this video, I'm going to show you in simple, clear steps how 3 foods you might already have in your kitchen can help ease that pain, reduce your discomfort, and, most importantly, restore the lightness and freedom you deserve to walk, move, and live with joy again. Stick around and pay close attention, because if you watch all the way through, you'll learn how small changes can bring about a big transformation in your quality of life. This could be exactly the answer you've been searching for to start walking pain-free once more. Ready to get started? Before we dive in, don't forget to hit subscribe, because every week I share valuable tips to help you live healthier and happier. And drop a comment below telling me which city you're watching from. Let me know where in the world you are. If you have any questions as we go along, ask away in the comments. Your question might help someone else, and I personally reply to everyone. Do you wake up with heavy legs? Do your knees or ankles ache when you try to walk around the house or even head out for a stroll? If you answered yes, pay attention, because what I'm about to share could make a big difference in your daily life. You might not realize it, but the key to easing that discomfort could be hiding in your breakfast bowl. I'm talking about oatmeal, a simple, affordable staple that you can find in any grocery store. For anyone over 60 who wants to move more freely and with less pain, oatmeal can be a true ally. Oatmeal is packed with amazing properties that tackle the root of the problem. It's rich in soluble fiber, especially a compound called beta-glucan. Beta-glucan acts as a natural anti-inflammatory in your body. Why does that matter? As we age, our bodies accumulate silent inflammation, especially around our joints, the knees, ankles, and hips. Those hidden hotspots of inflammation are often what cause pain when you walk, that heavy leg feeling, and stiffness when you stand up or climb stairs. When you start eating oatmeal regularly, your body responds in a wonderfully positive way. It helps dial down those internal inflammations, bringing back the lightness in your movements. But the benefits don't stop there. Oatmeal also improves blood circulation. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach your joints, speeding up tissue repair and further reducing swelling and discomfort. On top of that, oatmeal helps regulate blood sugar and cholesterol, both of which, when out of balance, can worsen inflammation and joint pain. And let's not forget, it even boosts your immune system, keeping you stronger and more resilient against the natural wear and tear of getting older. So how do you get these results? It's easy. Just 2 to 4 tablespoons of oats a day is enough to start feeling the difference. There are plenty of ways to add oatmeal to your routine. Mix it into yogurt or milk at breakfast, stir it into a fruit bowl with bananas or papaya, or whip up the classic warm porridge, perfect for chilly mornings and oh so comforting. You can even sprinkle it over salads or soups for a subtle, nutritious boost. The real secret, though, is consistency. A little bit every day goes a lot farther than a big helping now and then. Oatmeal shows how an accessible, no-fuss food can deliver powerful benefits. It soothes your aches, fights inflammation, boosts circulation, helps control cholesterol and blood sugar, and even strengthens your immune defenses. No complex recipes, no expensive ingredients, just simple oatmeal. If you're over 60 and ready to reclaim the joy of pain-free movement, oatmeal might be the smart, effective choice you've been looking for. Now that you've discovered the power of oatmeal, let's dive into another simple yet incredibly effective food for anyone over 60 who experiences pain when walking. Do you ever feel like your bones are weaker than they used to be? Is climbing stairs a real struggle, or do you notice extra stiffness first thing in the morning when you take those first steps of the day? If so, sardines could be an excellent solution to help improve your joint and bone health. Sardines are a true powerhouse for both bone and joint support. Many people don't realize it, but these little fish pack a potent blend of nutrients that target the very causes of joint pain and stiffness. First and foremost, sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, those good fats that act as natural anti-inflammatories in your body. Omega-3 helps reduce the swelling and stiffness you might feel in your knees, ankles, and hips. By dialing down inflammation, it makes movement easier and alleviates the pain that can slow you down every day. But that's not all. Sardines are also one of the best natural sources of calcium around, and we all know how crucial calcium is for keeping bones strong and resilient. After age 60, natural bone density starts to decline, so getting enough calcium is vital to prevent fragility, fractures, and chronic aches. What makes sardines especially unique is that they naturally contain vitamin D alongside the calcium. Vitamin D is essential for your body to absorb calcium efficiently, making sardines a superior option compared to many supplements that your body may not assimilate as well. Here's a simple analogy I share with my patients. Think of the oil in sardines like machine oil. It lubricates your joints, reducing friction so you move with less pain and more ease, whether you're walking, climbing stairs, or rising from a chair. And if you think sardines are expensive or hard to prepare, here's the good news. Canned sardines retain all these nutrients and are one of the most affordable, convenient options out there. One small can goes a long way, and you can enjoy them in countless ways. Mixed with rice, tossed into a salad, stirred into mashed potatoes, or even enjoyed straight from the can. Don't overlook the tiny bones either. They're perfectly safe to eat and are loaded with extra calcium to further strengthen your bones. My simple recommendation: aim to include sardines in your diet 2 to 3 times a week. And remember, just like with oatmeal, consistency is key. Small, regular servings will give you the best results. Adding sardines to your meals is an easy, tasty, and highly effective way to support your joint health and bone strength, helping you stay mobile and enjoy a higher quality of life. Have you noticed that as the years go by, maintaining a healthy diet has become more challenging? Lack of energy, digestive issues, muscle loss, and even difficulty eating a balanced diet are real struggles. But what if you could transform your nutrition and ensure better health, vitality, and well-being without complication? The ebook, The Art of Eating Well After 60, is the solution you need. Discover 10 essential steps to a healthy diet in your golden years. Learn how to prevent common diseases like diabetes, hypertension, anemia, and osteoporosis. Get strategies to restore your appetite and improve digestion. Understand the importance of hydration and key nutrients for aging with quality. And receive more than 50 healthy, easy, and delicious recipes to add to your daily routine. Every unhealthy meal is a missed opportunity to live with more energy, free from disease and daily fatigue. Don't wait until health problems get worse. The time to change is now. And the best part? The ebook is on sale. It costs less than a fast food meal, and your body will thank you for this choice. The link is in the pinned comment. Get yours now and start your transformation. Now let's move on to the third food that can make a real difference if you're over 60 and experiencing pain when you walk. I always ask my patients, do you struggle with constipation? Do you notice abdominal discomfort and, at the same time, feel joint aches even when you haven't overdone it? If so, these issues may be more connected than you think, and one of the simplest, most powerful foods to help is papaya. Papaya is a sweet, easy-to-find fruit with truly surprising health benefits. One of the main reasons it's so helpful for joint pain is an enzyme called papain. Papain aids digestion, helping your body break down food more efficiently. And how does that relate to your joints? When digestion works well, you absorb nutrients better and eliminate waste more quickly. That prevents toxin buildup, which otherwise can trigger silent inflammation, often felt in the joints of the legs, knees, and hips. On top of that, papaya is an excellent source of vitamin C and flavonoids, natural compounds that fight inflammation and strengthen your immune system. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in protecting cartilage and maintaining healthy joints, acting like a natural shield that preserves tissue integrity and reduces pain and stiffness when you move. Another benefit I love sharing is how light and easy papaya is on the stomach. Unlike heavier foods that can leave you feeling sluggish, papaya is gentle to digest and gives you a pleasant sense of well-being first thing in the morning. That's why I recommend enjoying it at breakfast. Just one slice is enough to start noticing positive changes. You can eat it plain, toss it into a fruit salad, or stir it into plain yogurt. If you often wake up feeling tired or low on energy, papaya can be a true ally. It helps regulate your bowels, reduces internal inflammation, and as a result, takes strain off your joints so they're less painful and stiff. And the best part, it's affordable, easy to prepare, and seamlessly fits into your daily routine. I always remind my patients that consistency is key. Including a slice of papaya in your daily diet is a simple habit, yet it can have a huge impact on your quality of life, lighter movement and less pain when you walk. Give it a try and feel the difference. Thank you so much for watching. Now it's your turn to make these foods part of your daily routine and start feeling the difference in your quality of life. If you'd like more tips to keep taking care of your health, click on the video that's appearing on your screen.